what makes a Spence diamond ring. You do. You choose the design, color, shape, and sparkle, making every element of your ring chosen by you, inspired by your story, so that every moment, every day is captured in your unique ring. A ring that hasn't been on anyone else's finger. A one-of-a-kind ring for your one-of-a-kind story. That's the Spence difference. Every choice is yours to make, because this is your ring. Made for you, made by your story. Made to make this moment uniquely yours. So even if words fail, you can say it all with Spence.